Hello, hi guys! Magandang hapon sa inyong lahat. This is Shin Rodriguez, my Mesgari channel, a faith healer o Zumata reader. So ngayong hapon na tatigan natin sabihin sa iyo ng ating mga gabay. So this is a special gabay for the month of October 17 hanggang October 23 for the sign of Sagittarius. So, Sagi, welcome to my channel. Ano kayang messages, advices, and spirit guides ang ating masasaga for today's video? Kanino kayang energy or kaganapan sa buhay ng mga Sagittarius ang ating mga hagilap? So guys, this reading is a general reading lamang, hindi lahat makaka-resonate. Kunin lamang po makaka-relate sa inyo and comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasagap. Because don't forget to like and subscribe my channel and hit the notification bell for more videos updated. Kasi maraming salamat po sa mga walang sawang pagsuporta sa aking channel, lalo na ang hindi nag-i-skip ng ads na way pagpalain kayo ng Diyos at may kapal. Siksik liglig nag-uumapaw na biyayang manambalik sa inyo. So let's see guys, what is the messages, advices sa iyo ng ating angel spirit for the sign of Sagittarius. So let's see and watch this. Angel Spirit, please give information. Paano kayong gusto sabihin sa inyo ng ating mga baraha? Tutuklasin na natin at alamin na natin yan. Angel Spirit, give me information. Oh my God, this is the Ace of Pentacles with a big shot and big money coming in for you. May malaking finances sa papasok sa iyo with a material offer. No? Kaya kailangan maghanda ka dahil bubulabugin ang buong pagkatao talaga dito sa oportunidad na maaaring parating sa iyo. And because this is something, the Six of Cups. Oh, something reminiscence, memories, or may mga bagay na pinagdaanan ka from the past na maaaring maging baon or tumatak sa'yo, no? Para malaman mo kung ano yung mga bagay na kailangan mo nang iwasan, tigilan, ganun. Okay, this is something the Ten of Cups with a happiness. So, magiging masaya ang pamilya mo dito at the end of the time. And of course, let's see additional messages. And because this is something a Four of Swords, no? There's something rest. And because this is something in intuitions. Kung baga tumatalis ang iyong intuition or something vibrations, instinct. No? And because kailangan mo rin na maraming pahinga. And the Queen of Wands, something confident, no? And being independent, no? Pagdating sa finances, love life, and career, kung baga kaya mo naman i-control it, no? Additional messages. So this is the Temperance for healing. This is something a perfect timing then. And the solid foundations, no? Kumbaga may mga maaring pinapalakas ka ng ating angel spirit sa mga lahat ng mga pinagdaanan mo. And of course, this is something divine intervention na may paalala talaga sa iyong ating divine. Na you need to pay attention kung ano man yung mga bagay na nangyayari. No, kumbaga hindi man maisa sa katuparan sa ngayon, kumbaga hayaan mo mangyari yan on the right time. So let's see what is the Ace of Pentacles. So this is the Eight of Swords. See? May nandun na ka na sa malaking opportunity na papasok sa'yo, but there's a lot of negativities around you na maraming toxic, negative, na maaaring na-attract mo, no? Maaaring there's just something evil eye, no? Kumbaga hindi mo pa lubusang alam, parang hindi ka aware sa mga tao sa paligid mo na marami naiinggit pala sa iyo pagdating sa finance. Kaya nagkakaranas ka ng delays and cancellation, no? Sa mga transactions and even sa plans. So this is something the Six of Cups represent the Emperor and being mature enough and being grounded. No, kailangan maging mature ka na sa mga bagay na nangyayari sa iyo ngayon, no? Kumbaga isang aral na yung mga pinagdaanan mo sa nakaraan. Kaya this is something a Six of Cups, no? Maaring related with your friends, relatives, families. So let's see what is the Ten of Cups. Represent the Chariot for taking action. Na may pagkilos at pagkalaw. There's a tunod joining forces na maaaring tulungan ka ng ating angel spirit na maging masaya. No? Pagdating ng araw or eksena na to, datong linggo na to, na maaaring parating na ang pagbabago, no? Sa buhay nyo, sa pamilya mo. There's a Two of Wands by your choices. No? Ikaw na lang din ang pipili, no? Para lumayo or umiwas nasa nagbibigay stress, anxiety sa'yo. Queen of Wands, represent what? The future wants something good. Just may magandang balita talaga na magdadala sa'yo ng ng parang pag-asa, no? Or bagong eksena. Kumbaga dahil, magkakaroon ka din ng new ideas para pagtiyagaan, para magkaroon ka ng mga bagong opportunities ulit. No? So let's see what is the Temperance. Represent what? Oh my goodness. Represent the King of King of Pentacles. Okay, so this is the perfect timing. Kailangan maging secure ka pagdating sa finances. No, pagdating sa mga pinaghirapan mo, maging practical ka na. So let's see what is the Ace of Pentacles and the Eight of Swords. Represent the Page of Pentacles, investment, plans, and manifestations, no? Kayang-kaya mong i-manifest lahat ng bagay, but napapalibutan ka ng mga negativities and toxicities. Kumbaga, may mga nag-share ka ng thoughts, information, na nagdadala ng cancels and delays, no? Kaya maraming evil eye sa paligid mo eh. Kaya kailangan maging aware ka na itong tao ba to? Wala ba itong inggit sa akin? Wala akong inggit to sa katawan? Gato ganyan. Now, this is the Six of Cups because the Emperor represent the full card. A leap of faith or something faith talaga pinag-uusapan dito. Maging mature ka na, no? Hindi ka na basta-basta nagtitiwala sa mga tao sa paligid mo, even sa mga kaibigan mo. So, Ten of Cups because the Chariot card represent what? Represent the High Priestess. So, this is something hidden agenda or hidden enemies. Na kumbaga, may mga unexpected na mangyayari sa'yo na magdadala sa'yo ng kaligayahan na pagdating sa family. Fulfillment. Hindi mo to ina-expect na magaganap. Hindi mo ina-expect na mangyari. That there's something of great blessing or blessing disguise na hindi mo akalaing magbibigay ng offer sa'yo. So, let's see what is the Four of Swords and of course, Two of Wands. So, this is the Hermit card. Spiritual. So, Four of Swords, something intuition, and of course, the Hermit card is something spiritual. Kumagay ko yung pipili, no? Na kung saan ka lulugar o saan ka pupwesto o gano'n. Kumbaga, maraming ka pagpipilian dito. Kailangan mo na talagang magpakalayo-layo. No? Kumbaga, marami talagang naiinggit sa inyo. And of course, there's a justice career karma. And of course, balance coming in for you. Magkakaroon ka ng magandang balance dito. May magandang balita rin na maaaring nga mamukadkad na. No, yung mga bagay na pinaghirapan nyo, ganon. Or business nyo, negosyo, hanap buhay, magkakaroon kayo ng balance. Additional messages with the Temperance and the King of Pentacles. So this is the Four of Cups. May evaluate or analyze. Kailangan pag-isipan mo mabuti, no? Yung binibigay ng senyales ng ating mga gabay. Synchronicities or something signs with an angel's number na binibigyan ka ng babala, paalala, na you need to pay attention kung ano man yung mga bagay na ginagawa mo. Kasi isang paalala yan, maaaring binibigyan ka ng babala, no? Para hindi maisakatuparan or hindi mo magawa yung isang bagay na yan kasi magbibigay komplikasyon or kumaga kailangan mo mag-pay attention para umalis ka o alisin yung isang bagay na yun na makakasama o nakakasama sa inyo. So, let's see what is the outcome. For the outcome, guys, this is something, the Six of Swords with the transition. Kailangan mo talagang makalipat at makaalis dyan sa situation nyo. Oh. No, there's a lot of blockages and of course baggage, no? Marami talagang pabigat talaga dyan. And this is the Eight of Cups, something moving forward. I told you, this is something moving on, getting away from the situations. It is something unhealthy situation, no? Behind. So, let's see what is additional messages pagdating sa finances and career. So, represent dito with an Ace of Swords with the breakthrough. Magtatagumpay ka pagdating sa career and finances. And this is the Death card. Now, matatapos na, maaari magkaroon to ng bagong simula. Pagbabago na pagdating sa finances nyo, ikot ng kapalaran to ay babaguhin na. No, kumbaga sa nakaraan nagkakaroon ng back and forth, no? Kumbaga minsan meron, minsan wala, or either nagkakaroon ka sunod-sunod na meron tapos pagdating na sunod-sunod na wala kasi this is something a negative surroundings, no, or environment. Kaya kailangan kumawala kayo o umalis kayo sa situation nyo. Additional messages kasi ibig sabihin may mabigat, no? Na kumbaga may mabigat diyan sa lugar nyo, mabigat diyan sa maswerte yung location or something yung bahay, but yung mga toxic, no, yung nagki-create ng negativities kaya hindi kayo makausad at makabangon din sa situation. And this is a Seven of Swords. I told you, this is a sneakiness, cheating, lying on you. So some of you guys, kumaga nakakasubaybay at nakakakuha ng information sa inyo. So let's see what is additional messages pagdating sa love life. Excuse me. Sa love life, there's a Nine of Pentacles. Wait lang guys, inom lang ako ng water na very light. And because there's a Nine of Pentacles with the security. Na maging secure ka pagdating sa finance at even sa love life mo. There's a Five of Wands, so maraming complication, maraming competitors. Na maraming talaga naiinggit sa inyong dalawa na mag-asawa mo, sa jowa mo, no, sa partner mo, no, even sa relationship. Kaya ka nagkakaroon ng no, kumbaga nandun ka na sa magandang eksena, biglang nagbabago yung partner mo, or either naghiwalay to, or nagbago ka na naman ng panibagong partner. Kasi nga, kumbaga may nagbibigay komplikasyon. So, inggit to sa pamilya, or inggit yung pamilya mo sa iyo. no? And this is something the Four of Pentacles. See, I told you, saving, no? Even sa finances, love life, and career. Kailangan, alam mo yung grounds mo. Be assertive, no? Sa kung ano man ang meron ka. Additional messages, no? Pagdating sa health. Pagdating sa health mo naman, guys, this is a Nine of Swords, no? There's something stressful, something na nai-stress ka, there's some depression, anxieties, no? Or hindi ka makatulog kasi nga there's that because of worries. They want something on communications, no? Magkakaroon ka na dito ng iba't ibang kumaga biyaya or something information na magdadala sa ng emotional free, para magkakaroon ka ng emotional freedom dito. Parang itong bagay na to, pag nalaman mo o nakakuha ka nito, parang mawawala na yung gaanong iisipin mo. Ganon. And this is a Two of Pentacles. Ayusin mo lang paano paikutin yung eksena, no? Kumbaga baguhin mo na rin yung pamamaraan mo kung paano mo to pinapatakbo, no? Ang iyong finances and love life. Kasi kumbaga combination nito yung health mo, no? Isa sa nagiging problema dito yung finances, kaya ka nai-stress, no? Kaya nagkakaroon ng health issues. So let's see, nagkakaroon ng hormonal imbalance Nagkakaroon ng hormonal imbalance na nag-create ng hair loss, no? And of course, skin rashes, ganun. Additional messages tayo. No? Pagdating naman tayo, guys, with a magical fairy messages. Magical fairy messages represent what? Represent a holiday. Oh. This coming holiday, kung magkakaroon na kayo ng time to each other, no? With your family, with your friends, or something. And this is on whom do you need to forgive? Ano yung mga bagay na kailangan pakawalan, no? Yung bigat, yung galit, yung puot sa puso mo. Isa sa nagbibigay blockages yan. No, kaya hindi ka makausap sa situation. Pakawalan mo yan. Surrender to the divine. So, let's see what is a yin and yang oracle card. And of course, guys, this is something a yin and yang oracle card for seeds. Oh. Meron dito nga, kumbaga, yung itinanim mo na maaaring magbunga na, lumago na, and this is something apology. May hingi ng tawad from the past or something, may paghingi ng tawad. No? And this is something stability and flow, no? Kumbaga dadaloy na yung eksena. Magtutuloy-tuloy na, magdadala ng stability sa iyo to with finance. I think this is something about sa finances. Archangel Michael messages. And I told you so. It's time to leave the unhealthy situation, 'di ba? Sinabi ko na. Nasa paligid mo ang nagbibigay komplikasyon. And of course, this is something eternal love. Even sa love life, this is something higher level commitment. Na maaaring magkaroon na ng ditong proposal, engagement, and positive thought, create a positive result. Always being optimistic, no? Para at least maging maganda ang kalalabasan ng eksena. So, let's see what is the chakra messages. Self-worth, dapat alam sa sarili mo yung halaga mo, diba? Yung position mo, and this is something fikid. Mag-ingat ka sa mga impostor, ha? And there's a trickery, mapanlin lang, no? Manluloko, no? Ganon, mag-ingat ka sa mga lumalapit sa yung akala mo totoo. What is the Montology? Communication is the key. So, isa pa to, kailangan mo makipag-communicate ng maayos. And, what you need to release. Ano yung kailangan mong alisin? No, ano yung kailangan mong makalaya? Parang gano'n. Yung parang kailangan mo makalaya sa negativities or sa situation with a toxic environment. I think so. So, let's see what is additional messages with an eagle's answer. Angel's answer represent what? If you believe, kung naniniwala ka lang daw, no? And this is something communicate clearly. Double clarification. There's something communication is the key. And there's something better. May mas magandang dahilan. Kaya siguro nakakaranas ka ng delays and cancellation. May mga pahiwatig sa iyong ating angel spirit na you need to pay attention. Kailangan mo makinig, kailangan mo makita to, kailangan mo maramdaman to, kailangan mo maranasan to. It's a part of your journey, guys. Let's see what is the energy. Oh my God, I told you, this is something walking away. Oh, see? Kailangan nyo na magpakalayo-layo, magtigil-tigil ka dyan sa lugar nyo. And there's a second chakra archangel Uriel about sa finances. See, nandito si Archangel Uriel, kaya hindi pa rin kayo nasi-zero. Kumbaga, meron pa rin pumapasok kahit papaano. And this is something blossoming abundance. Kasaganahan talaga ang parating sa inyo. What is additional messages with an angel spirit? And there's something sensitivity. O, see, kailangan nyo maging sensitive, no, sa paligid nyo. And there's a dream God with a teacher and guardian. Tinuturuan ka, o may gabay na magtuturo sa'yo na kailangan mong gawin. And there's something winter. Release and, of course, transition. Kailangan na mabago, makaalis sa situation, sa position. This is something shielding. Protection na mo yung sarili mo. No? I think this is something an inside job. Na meron ditong inside job na maaaring nakakapasok sa tahan niyo o nakakapasok sa buhay niyo o nakakakuha ng informasyon. No? So let's see what is the romance angels. And there's a forgiving and of course a learning. No? Kumbaga marami kang bagay na matututunan, marami kang bagay na kailangan tanggapin. And this is something finances and career. So may talagang malaking factor talaga ang finances and career dito, guys. Additional messages with an angel spirit. Loneliness, hindi ka nag-iisa, guys. No, hindi ka nag-iisa. And there's a success coming in for you talaga. May success and of course abundance talaga nag-wave dito sa atin, guys. Na binibigyan kayo ng isang informasyon na kung gusto nyo maging matagumpay o maging maganda ang takbo ng eksena, kailangan nyo pakawalan or kumawala sa situation or dun sa mga negativities or even sa toxicities sa paligid nyo. And there's oh my God, the freedom is yours. Talaga makakalaya ka na for financial crisis, no, stress. And there's a body work. So, kailangan nyo massage, exercise, guys. Para makatulong for release or relieve your stress. And Archangel Raphael represent improving health. Mag-improve na rin yung health nyo, guys. Mag-improve na rin daw ang health nyo. And of course, this is something children. Oh, connected with your children's, guys. Nahihirapan na rin yung anak nyo or anak mo dyan sa position. And of course, this is something, trust the timing, no? Trust the wave you came in on, no? Kumbaga may mga bagay na hindi pa napapanahon, may mga bagay na ibibigay sa in the perfect timing, no? Kaya magtiwala ka na hindi pa sa ngayon yung mga bagay na yan. Kung hindi pa kaya, wag ilaban. Kung kaya, ilaban. Ganun. And this is something that big picture thinking, inspire and visionary. Unti-unti mo makikita yung mga pagbabago or kailangan baguhin. For Jesus' loving quote said, Nothing shall be impossible to you. Pagdating sa'yo, walang imposible, no? Kumbaga, lahat ng mga bagay magagawa mo ayon sa kalooban ng Diyos. Kasi, kumbaga, you have the power to create your own life, no? Kaya mong gumawa ng isang bagay na alam mo na kumbaga, may inspire ka at makakatulong ka with other people, even to yourself. So, let's see what is an additional messages with an angel's number. And 12 persistence. Kailangan tuloy-tuloy. Hindi pwede pabago-bago. Kailangan tuloy-tuloy. Consistent dapat ganan. But this is something persistence with the shift, enthusiasm, and gratitudes. Oh, happy day. I'm aimful with the opportunity related to your life. Purpose is just around the corner. Take immediately actions. Once a pop up, of course, a partnership or an epic romance is also in the cards. So, see, kasama ang finances and love life and career mo. So, ibig sabihin, pop up. Ibig sabihin, kumbaga, nagbigay na ng something information, no? Nagpakita na ng paalala or something ng babala or something na makakatulong na kung paano mo babaguhin ang sistema or yung eksena dyan sa situation mo, no? So, let's see what is additional messages with the messages of life. Take immediately action. So, talagang binamadali or kailangan nyo ng kumilos. And this is something trusting. Kailangan nyo magtiwala, no? Today, I trust in God no matter what happened as my day unfold. I will remember to remain in harmony. I will maintain my sense of humor and I will keep my focus on God. Love for me in this way, I will minimize drama and increase my inner spiritual strength, no? Ayusin mo yung ego drama or something na makakasama, na makakahatak ng negativity sa'yo. Na kung marunong ka dapat tumanggap ng mga advices of course, information na alam mong makakatulong sa sarili mo. No? So guys, this is a special gabay for the month of October 17 hanggang October 23 for the sign off. For the sign of Sagittarius. So Sagi, maraming salamat for this wonderful reading. So once again, this reading is a general reading lamang, hindi lahat makaka-resonate. Kung hindi lamang po makaka-relate sa inyo, and comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasaga. Because don't forget to like and subscribe my channel and hit notification bell for more videos update. And of course, maraming salamat po sa mga walang sawang pag-support sa aking channel. Lalo na ang hindi nag-skip ng ads, naway pagpalain kayo ng Just at May Kapal. Siksik-liglig nag-uumapaw na biyayang manong balik sa inyo at maraming salamat po. And see you in the next video. Bye-bye and babush!